راجہ کمیونٹی سینٹر کے زیر اہتمام لٹل پاکستان بروکلن نیو یارک 4 جولائی کا شاندار پروگرام منعقد ہوا جس میں 4 جولائی کا کیک کاٹا گیا. There was also a cake for Detective Stephen Agosta, 62nd Precinct, Richard Taylor, Community Affairs Deputy Chief, and cake for Zafar Iqbal for becoming clergy liaison 70th Precinct. NYPD کمیونٹی افیئرس کی جانب سے بچوں کے لیے فیس پینٹنگ، ٹوائز، راک وال، بونسی رائڈ کا خصوصی اہتمام. قونصل جنرل آف پاکستان عامر احمد آتوزئی نے خصوصی شرکت کی. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ اسسٹنٹ چیف چارلس میکوائے، کمانڈنگ آفیسر NYPD بروکلن ساؤتھ، ڈپٹی انسپکٹر گریگ میکی، کمانڈنگ آفیسر آف NYPD 70th Precinct، ڈپٹی انسپکٹر ایڈی لو، CO of NYPD 62nd Precinct, Captain Ken Hirarte, Commanding Officer of NYPD 66th Precinct, Captain Turner, 62nd Precinct, Lieutenant Ira Jablonski, Commanding Officer of Community Affairs, NYPD Brooklyn South, Lieutenant Duran McLean, Lieutenant Abdul Masaya Joseph, Captain Antonio, Commanding Officer of 61 Precinct, Lieutenant Rolf Postiglions, 61 Precinct, Lieutenant Michael Bergamo, 70th Precinct, Sergeant Wing, 66th Precinct, Lieutenant Mike Butler, Sergeant Latif, Community Affairs, PO MEO, Community Affairs, Sergeant Gulati, Sergeant Duran, PO Brady, and a lot of cops from Community Affairs participated. میئر آفس سے عطیہ شہناز اور محمد بھائی کی خصوصی شرکت. چیپلن جون فرام چیف میڈریز آفس. یہ پروگرام راجہ آزاد گل، AD&B کارپیٹ، نائلہ جعفر، پاک صادق، یاسر خان، مارک ہوم کیئر، شیر خان اینڈ ڈوی زیٹلن کی جانب سے پیش کیا گیا. باربیکیو میں تعاون کے لیے شیر خان، ملک الیاس ظفر، آصف اقبال کی معاونت کا بہت بہت شکریہ. منیر بٹ کا تعاون کا بہت بہت شکریہ. قونصل جنرل کی آمد پر ان کا والہانہ استقبال کرتے ہوئے راجہ آزاد گل اور AD&B کارپیٹ نے انہیں پھول پیش کیے. پروگرام کا آغاز امام احمد علی نے تلاوت کلام پاک سے کیا.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا يسخر قوم من قوم عسى أن يكونوا خيرا منهم ولا نساء من نساء عسى أن يكن خيرا منهن ولا تلمزوا أنفسكم ولا تنابزوا بالألقاب. Honorable Consul General Amir Ahmad Atazai Sahab, نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم. اما بعد اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Ladies and gentlemen, and my very dear friend from the police department, assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to you all. I'll be brief. First of all, as the Consul General for Pakistan in New York, I extend my heartfelt felicitations to all of you, to all the Pakistani Americans and all the American friends. Felicitations on this Independence Day. We pray to Almighty Allah that the United States of America further makes every progress and each day is better than the previous one. I also pray to Almighty Allah that to empower our community to contribute to the progress and prosperity of the United States of America. I also extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to Raja Sahab and Raja Community Center and all the friends of Raja Sahab for having organized this beautiful event and having put in an effort to have gathered this much community to celebrate this day in a befitting manner. I thank you all, and it's always a pleasure to be amongst the community, and it's always a pleasure to see our community together. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Now I want to invite our Boro Chief, Chief Makawai, please sir, if you can come here and say a few words.
Good evening, all, and happy 4th of July to all. Thank you for having us, and one of our favorite Brooklyn South community partner, Roger. Thank you for hosting this wonderful event so that we can all share together as a true community. Thank you for everything you do for the wonderful community in Brooklyn South, and I'm here with two of the great precinct commanders in Brooklyn South. We got Inspector Mackey from the 7-0 precinct and Captain Harate from the 6-6. So. Again, I would just want to wish everybody a safe, healthy, happy 4th of July. It's, we're halfway through the year, having such a successful year, and the reason is because of everybody here. True community partners working with us, and the Pakistani community is as strong as ever, and, just a fantastic partner. So, happy 4th of July, all, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
And before I invite Inspector Mackey, I want to recognize that we used to have Chief Shawl here who used to attend each and every event of Raja Azad Gul. Now he is not with us, but his memories will stay with us forever. Inspector Mackey, please sir, if you can come and say a few words. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. So, thank you very much for having us on this 4th of July. Gives us an opportunity to celebrate together as one, as we have in the past. It's so great to see so many of the lovely people out here today, and enjoy the nice weather. As the good chief said, we're halfway through the year. Had a very successful year so far, and we hope to continue it going, and that's all because of you. Each and every one of you, as a community partner, this involvement lends itself to a safe community. You and us in partnership with each other. So I thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
Captain Harati, please if you can come here. He's a 6-6 CEO and very good to our community and every community.
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Captain Harate. I'm the commanding officer of the 6-6 precinct. I just first and foremost want to thank Raja and the community center for having me here and having all the distinguished guests here. Very, very much appreciate that. Thank you. Also want to say it's amazing to see the level of diversity here, which is representative of truly the 4th of July celebration. So it very much defines the reason why we're all here today. And so I want to thank you, and on behalf of everyone from the 6-6 precinct, thank you very much for having us all here. Thank you.
Lieutenant Ira Jablonski. Sir, please, you are a best friend to our community and a memory of Chief Shaw, because you used to come with him. Please, sir.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. Happy 4th of July. It's so nice to see everybody. Talk about bringing communities together. Raja, you're the king of it. You have Dovey here, you have the communities here. Arwak will actually need a little bit of a jump start just now. And who pulls up? It's Chaverim. Talking about two organizations, two wonderful community groups that pulled together. I remember sitting with Chief Shaw on the Coney Island Avenue by Raja's old office. We sat with a couple of people, and look what it morphed into. This is really a big honor to be here. The face painting, you got the rock wall, you have food, you have laughs, you have a good time. Let's enjoy the day, and let's have a wonderful 4th. God bless everybody. Take care.
So I want to invite our department chaplain from Chief Maddrey's office. So please, if you can come here and make some prayer for us. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, happy 4th of July. I bring you greetings from the office of the Chief of Department. I'm Chaplain Jones, I'm one of the clergy. And I just stopped by to enjoy the celebration. This is what it's about. When we can come together as a community, when we can have fun. I see the kids out here. This is what it's about. We're bringing unity into the community. So this is an awesome thing. I thank you for having us. And to all of the bosses out here, I thank you guys. This is amazing. So on behalf of the Chief of Department Office, we love you and we are here for you. If there's anything that we can do, please call on us and we're here. So once again, my name is Chaplain Jones. I'm one of the clergy people and I'm here to celebrate with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your service.
بہتر کارکردگی دکھانے والے آفیسرز اور کمیونٹی کے افراد کو ایوارڈز بھی دیے گئے.
Awards to appreciate the good service of our officers and community members. So now I would like to invite Deputy Inspector Craig Mackey, Commanding Officer of 70th Precinct, for your dedication and outstanding service to the Pakistani community of Brooklyn. With the best compliments, Pakistani American community of Brooklyn. Sir, please, if you can honor. Now I would like to invite Captain Kenneth Herati, Commanding Officer of 66th Precinct, sir, for your dedication and outstanding service to the Pakistani community of Brooklyn. With the best compliments, Pakistani American community of Brooklyn, sir.
Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Lieutenant Ira Jablonski, sir, for your dedication and outstanding service to the Pakistani community of Brooklyn. With the best compliments, Pakistani American community of Brooklyn. Sir, please.
Could you please look here? Yes, sure. Thank you so much. Okay.
And now I would like to invite Lieutenant Joseph Abdul Masaiha, sir, from Community Affairs Bureau, in appreciation and recognition of your dedicated service to our community, sir. We thank you, sir. He is serving our community for so long, and we thank him for all his good things for every community. Thank you, sir. So now I would like to invite Sergeant Wing Chen, please. Sir, if you can come here and receive this award for your dedication and outstanding service to the Pakistani community of Brooklyn. Please, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
Look at me right here.
Detective Michael Rio Sir. Rio Mayo. Sir. Here, please, sir. Come here in the middle, please. Thank you so much for your service. And we know you for a long time. Thank you for all you do for all of us.
Thank you. Okay.
So now it's time to cut the cake.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Independence Day.
Special thanks to Chief Charles McAvoy and 70 Precinct Commander Inspector Greg Mackey and Lieutenant Ira Jablonski for recognizing Zafar and making him 7-0 Energy liaison. Thank you NYPD, thank you Community Affairs, thank you Brooklyn South, thank you 66 Precinct, thank you 70 Precinct. Brooklyn South is number 1 in the entire city.
Invite Police Officer Kevin Flash, sir, for your dedication and outstanding service to the Pakistani community. To the best compliments.
राय साहब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ
You have to say special thanks to 70 CO. We recommend you for this plan.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Done.
Brother Eddie Sankari, please sir, you can come here and receive this award for your dedication and outstanding service to the Pakistani community of Brooklyn with the best compliments. So, thank you so much.
ਰਾਜ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਓ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਓ
Look at me, guys. Look at me right here. 1, 2, 3. One more. Awesome.
just one more picture please I got it thank you so much
Really?
yeah
There we go. Look at that guy. I gotta send the book.
yeah all right
Brother Felix, 7-2 Clergy Liaison, sir, can you please come here and say a few words?
Good afternoon. I'm very honored to be here this afternoon as clergy of the NYPD. It's just great. I've been serving with this great community. Brooklyn South is number 1. I've been in Brooklyn South for 27 years, volunteering with Lou and all these great team workers. You know, Sergeant Singh, Rio Mao was like my brother. And I'm just blessed to be here and just say congratulations. Let's keep it up. Let's keep the unity. And may God continue blessing us. Thank you, Chief, for everything you do. You're our great leader. And because of you, we do what we do. And happy 4th of July. God bless.
Another successful 4th of July event in the history of Brooklyn. There are many events, and we appreciate all of those who are appreciating and celebrating the Independence Day of the United States of America. We all have to love this country because we are receiving each and every thing we all need to survive in this world. Appreciate our NYPD officers and all the partners who are helping us to make this event successful.
We have barbecue, we have Turkish food for our NYPD, we have kosher food from Davi, my brother, and we have sandwiches. Please feel free to help yourself. And I like to say special thanks to NYPD, men and women, for protecting us, for sacrificing for us, and taking care of the New York City. And special thanks to Brooklyn South Chief Commanding Officer of Brooklyn South, Chief Charles McAvoy, for doing his best. And NYPD, the best chief in Brooklyn South, Chief Charles. And Brooklyn South is number 1. And 70% is doing great job in the entire city in leadership of Inspector Mackey, and 66 Precinct is doing great job. Also my friend Captain Ken Herate. So I would like to say, please, any Pakistani, wherever you are, just wherever you see the police department, just tell them thank you for your service. You guys are doing business and you guys are enjoying your life because of their hard work. So please always appreciate NYPD, support NYPD, because they are working for us, and New York City is much safe, the number 1 city in entire United States. So thank you very much, and thank you my friend Louis Lou, my brother Ira Jablowski, and all the NYPD official over here. Thank you very much, and my brother Eddie, thank you for helping me to have this event. And Naila Jafar, thank you very much, and every single person who came here, special thank you for your time. And please keep love this country and always appreciate this country and great people, because this is America and the best country in the world, because you cannot find any other country like America. You can enjoy, you can get education, you can do legally whatever you do, good business legally, and you can enjoy your life only in America. So God bless America.
Happy July 4th. It's great to get together with all the friends, community friends over here. Enjoy the rest of the evening. It's a lot of great food, halal food, kosher food, and it's great to be in presence of such wonderful people who keep us all together and safe. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Mike, you
Mike, they invite
I like Pakistan.
Good.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम नाइला जफर है। मैं पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की CEO हूँ। आज मैं सबको 4th of July का मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। आप लोगों को सब जो यहाँ पे बच्चे सब लोग आए, NYPD के लोग जो भी सब लोग आए, मैं उन लोगों का सबका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
Thank you. Happy Independence Day. बस ठीक है जी। अच्छा वो ना कुछ पुलिस ऑफिसर्स के फोटो बाद में चलेंगे। मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ बुला के जो है वो ले लो।
Where is Atiya Shanaz? Please come here, say a few words. She works for Mayor Office. Atiya Shanaz, please come here, say a few words about 4th of July, why we are celebrating.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you so much, Raja Sahab. Thank you so much, NYPD and all Pakistani community to here. Happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July. You see the large number of Pakistani community, and you can feel like we are so proud Pakistani American citizen here. And thank you so much all Pakistani community members for your great work you're doing. You have the big contribution in American economy, in the betterment of society. I really appreciate. I have no words to thanks, especially NYPD services. You provide security, you provide strength, support to community. Thank you so much everyone. And you see the large number of women here. So I think there's a time to give the big applause to the women. You have the energy, you see, you like the big barbecue, so I think you have the energy. Thank you so much everyone. Raja Sahab, every year you provide resources, opportunity to the community to come together and enjoy food, especially kids, they have gifts, they have bouncing inside and toys. So thank you so much. Every time like we come together, and my message on Independence Day, peace, humanity and love is the time to come more unite, to come more, to join the more with strength to towards like the work and progress. So spread the humanity, spread the word. As a Muslim woman liaison, I always work for the women empowerment. As a bridge, I work like to provide the resources to our community, especially for women. If you need anything, you can contact me, you can contact the mayor office. So every time, like I always for you. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. The media always support the community to highlight the Pakistani work, like how you are involved in the betterment of American economy and the American progress. Thank you so much. Thank you so much Raja Sahab once again. Thank you so much Imam Sahab for your always great work. We have the great leaders, we have the great community members, we have great doctors, teachers and leaders in our society. They make progress, they make the big name in America. So as a Pakistani ambassador, we are so proud of the people like Imam Saab. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much once again, NYPD, for your work. Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Atia Shinaz. Now I would like to invite one of our very own, Inspector Adi Lau. So, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy 4th of July to everybody. I just wanted to thank Roger for putting this together, inviting me. Thank you very much. And just wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July and hope we have a good time.
Thank you.
And now I would like to invite one of our very own, Captain Turner. Please, if you can come here. He's our XO in 62nd Precinct. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to take the time to thank everyone for being here, and I thank Roger for inviting me. We're here to celebrate this grand occasion, the 4th of July. Eddie, you got some more words? Thanks again for having me, and happy 4th of July, everyone.
And I would like to invite the best detective of Brooklyn South, Detective Steve Augusta from 62nd Precinct Community Affairs. Sir, thank you so much for your service and support. Please say a few words.
Thank you, Roger, thank you very much for putting this together. It's always a pleasure to be here with the Pakistani community. I just got promoted. Roger got the cake for me. There's a lot of people I want to thank for that. Chief, everybody, very well appreciated. I want to give a shout out to all the community affairs guys here. You guys are number one. I love working with you guys, and hopefully you'll be around for more years to come. Thank you.
Zafar, would you like to say something? Come. Okay, Steve, come here. We're going to cut your cake.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lulu. I'm happy 4th of July for and the Raja is very good to have the opportunity to put the today event to make it, we have the we have the all together here. So thank you, Raja, to have the hard work, and me and Raja is just from the community members. So we both working together to between the community to NYPD. I'm very grateful to have the partner like Rogers, and so we can work in really smooth in between the community and NYPD. So make the cities a little more better. So happy 4th of July.
Thank you so much, sir. Brother Davi, please, sir, come here and introduce the rabbi, please. Thank you.
I'd like to call up Rabbi Levin, who's the rabbi just a few blocks down, right over here in this community, to share with us a few words in honor of celebrating July 4 Independence Day. Rabbi Levin, please.
Thank you very, very much. Today is a very special day, and thank you to Raja. I run the Chabad right here in the neighborhood. We reach out to all types of people, and I think what this is happening right here, we see a unity of so many kinds of people, is really the blessing that America has, that we can come together and really celebrate freedom of religion, and in a way that is really respectful of all types and all backgrounds. Today also is the anniversary of my leader, the Lubavitcher Rebbe, who came to America in the time of the European War, of World War II, who's able to escape. Literally today is the anniversary that he came to America, and America greeted him and allowed Chabad around the world, in America and around the world, to really blossom. I appreciate the fact that we're always invited to Muslim and Jewish relations. Is something that's important to us, and I appreciate Raja and everyone else that's involved in the Pakistani community. God bless you all, and may we be able to continue in a very unified manner together always. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rabbi.
Raja, how you doing? What's up, Chapel?
So now I would like to introduce one of our very own, Chaplain Imam Fukaj. He is NYPD chaplain and representing Muslims in the chaplaincy group of NYPD. Sir, please say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Salam.
Happy 4th of July. God bless you all, and we thank Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for countless blessings in our lives, and definitely celebrating the 4th of July, the Day of Independence, Day of Hope for all mankind. We thank Almighty for this celebration, the leadership that we are here, our brother Raja and our executives, our community. This is another example that who America is and what we stand for. Different religions, different ethnicities, but one soul, one spirit, one hope, one country, USA. God bless you all, and may we celebrate always in happiness. And as we wish for our great country, USA, we wish peace and happiness and brotherhood for all mankind. May all the wars stop, may all the bloodshed stop, may the peace and understanding and respect and mutual recognition goes all over the world. God bless you all. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Brother Dennis, who is one of our community friends. So please come here and say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dennis. I happen to be just a friend of Raja's, nothing more. I just want everybody to just kindly look around each other, and you will see from the deep plains of Punjab, you will see the salwar kameezes there. You will see individuals with yarmulkes. You will see individuals with the standard Western clothing. What you should all recognize is that here in Brooklyn, we have all come together. It is very rare, and it happens nowhere else in this world, where individuals from the depths of Punjab are protected by individuals whose ancestors came from Ireland, who came from the depths of the Scottish country, from England. I also see Puerto Ricans from the Spanish lands. Everyone's here protecting a community that largely, if you look around, comes from the deep portions of deep Punjab. And all put together by a man who served in the Pakistani army and has invited a man who grew up in India to speak for him. So this happens nowhere else in the United States of America. So we should all be proud of this day, and thank you for everyone for coming. Thank you very much.
Listen, Captain Antonio from the 6-1 Precinct. Raja invites me every year, and I make sure I come by every year. I had to be a little late, so I apologize, but I see, as usual, always a nice turnout, and not just from the community, but obviously from the executives of the Brooklyn South Borough, and that's because of the respect and admiration everyone has for Raja. Raja does so much for the community, and in part so much for the police department, so this is par for the course for Raja. So thank you very much for having me, and have a safe and lovely 4th of July.
Now I would like to invite one of our very own, Brother Bahi from the Mayor's office. Brother Bahi.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. I believe our sister Ati already spoke on behalf of the office, but I just want to say, when it comes to 4th of July, it's important to be proud of, right? Especially us as Muslim Americans, right? We are taught as Muslims to be grateful for the little things and the big things. So we definitely should be grateful for the land that we live in, right? For the opportunities we have, the blessings that we have, and it's something that we should not take for granted, because there are millions, if not billions, of people around the world that wish to be here exactly where we are today. So that's something that we always have to keep in our mind and our hearts, and that's something that we should always say, Alhamdulillah, that praise be to God, praise be to Allah for allowing us to live in a beautiful country, a beautiful state, city, beautiful community, surrounded with people, men and women in the blue, who are not just the ones who are protecting us, but also our friends, also our neighbors, also our allies. So again, it's a blessing to be here. And again, thank you to Brother Raja for really hosting this annual event of gathering the community together from different backgrounds, different faces, all together celebrating this great blessing that we all live here in this great land. Again, thank you very much for having me. Appreciate it.
Brothers, please, if you can take the food. We have barbecue, we have other stuff, so please help yourself. Go inside and help yourself and enjoy the delicious food. Thank you so much for being here.
And for Jewish brother, we have kosher cake.
आखिर में तमाम मेहमानों के लिए बारबेक्यू, टर्किश फूड, कोशर फूड, चिकन सैंडविच और मशरूबात से तवाज़ो की गई.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ब्रुकलिन और कोने आइलैंड और न्यूयॉर्क और ओवरऑल सारे अमेरिका में जितने मुकीम पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन्स हैं और जो अमेरिकन्स हैं उन सब को मेरी तरफ आमिर अतुज़ई कौंसल जनरल फॉर पाकिस्तान की तरफ से बहुत बहुत यौम आज़ादी मुबारक हो. और आज जो ये राजा कम्युनिटी सेंटर की तरफ से इस मौके की मुनासिबत से ये एक बहुत अच्छे फंक्शन का अहतमाम किया गया है जिसमें कम्युनिटी के ख़वातीन, बुज़ुर्ग, बच्चे, जवान और सब बहुत जोश व खरोश से हिस्सा ले रहे हैं और इस दिन को मना रहे हैं. तो ये अमर हमारे लिए बहुत काबिल फ़ख्र है. ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारे पाकिस्तानियों की काविशें और इनकी मेहनत अमेरिका की कामयाबियों और तरक्कियों में हमेशा शामिल हाल रहेगी.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम नाइला जाफ़र है और मैं पाक सादिक अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की CEO हूँ. आज हमने यहाँ पे 4 जुलाई इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाया है और मैं थैंक यू सो मच करती हूँ NYPD का, कौंसल जनरल का कि वो लोग यहाँ पे आए और बाकी कम्युनिटी के लोगों का कि उन लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. यहाँ पे बच्चों के लिए हम लोगों ने लाइव बारबेक्यू, वुमेंस के लिए लाइव बारबेक्यू और बच्चों के लिए टॉयस और राइस बाउंस, प्ले गेम्स और बाकी चीज़ें जो हैं हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे रखी और हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे जो है वो 4 जुलाई जो है वो मनाया आज के दिन. और इसी तरह हम हर साल जो है वो 4 जुलाई को मनाते हैं और यहाँ पे सब लोग, बच्चे बड़े, सब लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच NYPD कौंसल जनरल और थैंक यू सो मच राजा साहब जो वो इसको हर साल बड़े अच्छे तरीके से ऑर्गेनाइज़ करते हैं. और मैं थैंक यू सो मच करती हूँ अपने मीडिया का कि वो हम लोगों को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से कवरिंग करते हैं और इसी तरह जो है वो अपने काम को जारी रखें. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
मेरी तरफ से, मेरा ऑफिस की तरफ से और तमाम ख़वातीन जो पास होगी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, सबको अमेरिका की यौम आज़ादी बहुत बहुत मुबारक. इज़ अ ग्रेट ओकेजन कि हम सब यहाँ पे माशाल्लाह लिटिल पाकिस्तान में मौजूद हैं और जिस तरह से सेलिब्रेशन होनी चाहिए माशाल्लाह उसी तरह से हो रही है. एक मैसेज जो आज के मौके पर मैं तमाम ख़वातीन को देना चाहूँगी कि अमेरिका की यौम आज़ादी पर वी फील प्राउड कि भाई हम इस मुल्क में रहते हैं और इस मुल्क के सिटीज़न हैं और यहाँ की फैसिलिटीज़ से, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ से फ़ायदा उठाते हैं. लाइक एवरीबडी कॉल दिस इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो उम्मीद और लाइक दुआ है कि हमारा अपना मुल्क भी जहाँ हम आए हैं वो भी आज़ाद है और इसी तरह से तरक्की करें. और यहाँ जो हम यहाँ पर एज ए एम्बेसडर, क्योंकि हमारा अडॉप्टिव मुल्क है, हमारी जो मदर लैंड और दूसरा है, तो हम एज ए एम्बेसडर यहाँ पर रहते हैं. तो वी नीड मोर यूनिटी, वी नीड मोर स्ट्रेंथ टू डू टुवर्ड्स अ ग्रेट वर्क इंशाल्लाह. तो ज़रूर अच्छे काम करते रहें और अपने मुल्क का और इस मुल्क का नाम इस तरह से रोशन करते रहें. तमाम ख़वातीन माशाल्लाह यहाँ पर खड़ी हैं, ख़वातीन की नुमाइंदगी करती हैं, पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन ख़वातीन, और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं और एक नाम बनाया इस मुल्क में. सो वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ़ यू. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे जी. मेरी और मेरी टीम की जानिब से हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. आप भी करें.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Saida. Happy Independence Day. I'm so happy in this event and I was born in this country. We get free education and thank you.
That you can see I'm wearing the 4th of July clothes and I also did face painting on me and there's so much things here. There's rock climbing, jumping, snacks. Thank you.